Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to send money from your TD Bank to PayPal. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you're going to go and be opening up the official PayPal website. So go to paypal.com right here if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we'll be able to get started. So what we need to do first is in the login page, go ahead and get started logging into your PayPal account that you want to deposit money from your TD Bank to. So go ahead and log in. If you do not already have a PayPal account, what you can do is just go and create a new account, and after logging in to your account, you're going to be head and greeted by this main page right here, which is your PayPal balance. You can go ahead and in the home page take a look at your balance, your recent activity, you can send, request money, and so on. So now we can get started. Basically guys, it's very easy to deposit money from your TD Bank or into your TD Bank from PayPal because it's directly right here in the home page. As you can see, once you open up PayPal and log in the main page right here at the right side of the screen, you're going to go and be able to see an option that says add card or bank. So by clicking add card or bank, it's going to enable you to open up a new menu. So click on it right here and it's going to open up this menu right here. It's going to look like this, where you're going to go and be able to link a credit card and you'll be able to link a bank account. So if you want to go ahead and add your TD Bank, what you can do is click link a bank account, and now you can get started providing all the info for linking your TD Bank account, such as your bank name, SWIFT code, your IBAN number, and so on. That's going to enable you to link your bank to PayPal. So once you have successfully linked your TD Bank, you'll be able to withdraw money using your deposit. You can input money into your PayPal account and so on. Everything after linking it right here from your PayPal balance, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.